I've been asked on a couple occasions, how do you upload a file in Ignitia? There could be many reasons why you want to do that. We'll talk about that briefly and also show you a couple different variations, because you can upload files, but it looks different depending upon what you're in. Now, in this case, I'm in a fictitious student and it's in a writing assignment. Happens to be Bible, Conquest of Jericho. What I would do is, let's say the student has written out the assignment and maybe the teacher's asked to see their notes or their outline. They're trying to help them with it, or whatever the case is. Or maybe they've handwritten it instead of typed it out, which you could run into that. So you go to this black line and arrow, and you'll see there's a pop-up and it says choose file. And so you click this, and hopefully from here, you know how to do this, but you would just go wherever on the PC your file is. Let's say I'm going to go to pictures, and let's say maybe you hand wrote an assignment and then scanned it in, and it's actually a picture. That's one possibility. So I'm just going to randomly go and pretend like that's a scanned writing assignment. I select it, I click open, and you'll see the upload turns green, and you can see the JPEG file. I click upload, upload complete. Now the teacher should be able to log in and find this document. Double click it. I don't know if it's going to show on my recording. Hopefully it does. You see the file has now been downloaded to my computer, and I can open it up. So the teacher could then check it and then go in and grade it, etc. Let's say you grabbed the wrong file. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. You just click the X, it's gone. You go back, and I'm going to go back to desktop. I'm not even in the right folder. So I'm going to go to where I have some writing assignments, and there, count your blessings. Yep, that's what I want. That's my writing assignment. That's a regular Word document. Click open. Same thing. Green upload arrow. Green upload button. Click it. You see the red X again. I can double click that. And I do not know if that is showing, but again, it's downloaded on my screen. So the teacher could actually go back in and check this out and grade it or comment on it or whatever the case is. Again, I'll click the red X and it's gone. Now I'm going to show you quickly one other situation, and we will take a look at a different scenario. So in this case, the student is in a quiz and they have to upload a graph. Okay, I don't know if it's, again, a scanned image. I don't know what it is, but it's the same concept. But in this case, instead of being at the top, it's all the way at the bottom. And you see upload and choose file. Notice it looks a little different. So again, depending upon where you're at, you might look at the top or the bottom, look for an option to choose the file and upload. So it works, other than it looks different, it works the same way. Let's say that's what I want. I click open, there it is. And then I'm gonna click upload. Now I'm in teacher mode, so I'm not gonna do that right now because I do not want to upload this. But notice there's also a grayed out delete button. So I'm assuming if for some reason the student uploaded, just like in the previous version when you had a red X, you can click delete and get rid of it. Or in this case, I haven't even uploaded it yet. I can just go and click cancel and it's gone. And now I'm going to go in and get the right thing. And it's actually a scanned image and a scanned document or whatever. And I click, open, and there it is. And then all I have to do is upload. But again, I'm going to cancel it. So those are the two ways that you can, or one way that you can upload a document or a scanned document or an image to share with a teacher. The teacher should be able to then log in and access to it. Now, the other option, if for some reason you run into an issue and something isn't working, I would recommend accessing a personal email hopefully the student has an email or their parents have an email that they can use, and just upload the document in the email. And the staff has work emails, all right? So I would keep it separate from your personal stuff. And then you could just email it right to the teacher. So that's a second option. Maybe you like that. Maybe that's easier. Then once the teacher sees it, she can grade it or comment on it back through Ignitia. But that gives you a couple options about how to upload files in Ignitia. You can either use this feature here where you choose a file and upload, or you can email it directly. Hopefully this has been helpful, and let me know if you have any further questions.